and his people sincerely promise to faithfully fulfill my duties. I promise to offer my time, talents, and heart for the greater glory of God and for the good of my brothers and sisters in the faith. I promise to be faithful in our responsibilities, obedient to the teachings and guidance of the Church, and willing to respond generously to whatever service our parish may require. I promise to live out the virtues of humility, integrity, unity, and charity, to be a good example in word and deed, and to become an instrument of mercy, compassion, and hope for our fellow parishioners. I promise to continue deepening my faith and to serve not for myself, but for Christ and His Church. Through the grace of God, under the guidance of the Blessed Virgin Mary, and inspired by the